It's now been 4 months since Donald Trump won election as President of the United States and about 50 days since he took office as President. Yet he remains in many ways an enigma, a tough political figure to get a grip on. He's got unpopularity levels that are unusually high for a president at this stage of his administration. And there's been a lot of turmoil since he took office. Yet it's also clear there's a cadre of very loyal Trump followers who have not been shaken at all in their belief in their man and are sticking with him. Their loyalty is very high. In my Capitol Journal column in the Journal on Thursday, I try to explore why that is the case, and I look at 3 indicators of economic anxiety that have drawn Trump followers to him in many cases, and where he continues to say things that they want to hear. One of these indicators is the growing U.S. trade deficit. A second is the accumulation of national debt, of federal debt, and a third is the amount of money spent overseas in places like Iraq and Afghanistan over the last 15 years or so to deal with crises abroad rather than problems at home. I think these 3 indicators all are hit at issues that Trump voters cite a lot when you talk with them, that we're giving our jobs away and our wealth is flowing overseas, that we're piling up debts for our children, and that we spent way too much money fixing up other countries and not enough money fixing our own country. It's not clear that Trump policies are really necessarily going to address these problems head on, not going to solve them necessarily. In fact, his economic proposals could make the budget deficit and therefore the debt pile up even more. But as a consequence of the fact that he can speak to people's concerns, he's retaining the loyalty of Trump supporters and Trump followers. I think the test will be down the road on whether he can continue to produce jobs. But for right now, hearing that their concerns are being acknowledged by Donald Trump is enough for many of these Trump followers.